Hello, my lovely foodie fam. Welcome back again to my channel. In today's video, I share with you this delicious Nigerian fish light soup recipe. Yoruba people love this mouth-watering soup, and in Yoruba language, it is called omiobe. To cook omiobe, there are certain ingredients you need, and as this video continues, I'll show you exactly what you need to cook this delicious fish light soup and how to cook it. I'll start by cleaning up my fresh ingredients. For the fresh ingredients, I'll be using some fresh tomatoes, fresh bell peppers, red long pepper, scotch bonnet pepper, and onions. And you'll see that I'm already cleaning these ingredients as I continue. Now you'd also notice the quantity that I am using for this recipe. I'll be using 4 tomatoes, 2 bell peppers, 1 red long pepper, 2 scotch bonnet peppers, and 1 large onions. I like to cut open my bell peppers and red long pepper whenever I'm cleaning them so that I can be able to remove the seeds from inside the peppers. Now I'll proceed to cut open the onions and peel off the skin to get it ready to be blended. The blending consistency or texture for omiobe is a very smooth consistency. So I'll be blending all these ingredients to achieve a very smooth paste. But before I go on to that, it's time to clean my sink. I'll pour all the pepper and everything I took out of the pepper into the bin. And now I'll proceed to slice my tomatoes before putting them in the blender. Over time, I have realized that when I cut my peppers and tomatoes before putting them in my blender, it helps me manage space. Yes, it is so great for space management. And by cutting the tomatoes and peppers, I am able to fit more tomatoes into the bell peppers, including onions. And that way, it saves me a lot of preparation time and it helps me cook faster. Now I'll blend all of this to a smooth paste. And now I'll move over to cleaning my fish. The fish I'm using for this recipe is called Hake fish. This is the second and most important step. Before cooking with any type of fish, I like to clean my fish first. By cleaning my fish, I like to remove the scales, just as I showed you. I like to remove the scales, the fins, the gills, the intestines, and every other thing that I don't like to see on my fish. When I'm sure that everything is properly cleaned, then I can cook. Take a look at the scales I removed from the fish. This would have gone into my soup, but thankfully I removed them. After this, it's time to cook. I'll put my pot on my cooker and I'll add 1 cup of palm oil. As soon as the palm oil is hot enough and it starts to have a little bit of smoke, as you can see in the video, I'll proceed to pour in my blended pepper mix. After I pour in my blended pepper mix, I'll add the other ingredients for this delicious yummy recipe. And while I mix or stir this together, I like to say this. You can like this video, you can share this video, you can leave your comments to tell me what you think about this video, and of course you can subscribe to this channel. I added 1 tablespoon salt and I'm adding 2 stock cubes. After crumbling the stock cubes into the pepper mix, I'll mix everything up very well just to ensure that the stock cubes are properly mixed. And then I'll proceed to add my fish, the cleaned hake fish. I'll put in the fish gently because I don't want anything hot to splash on me. And while I do this, I like to say this. If you're yet to subscribe to this channel, why not subscribe to this channel? I think it's a good idea to subscribe to this channel. I also think that if you would like to be notified every time I post delicious mouth-watering cooking videos, then click on that notification bell so that you'll be notified every single time. After giving it one last gentle mix, I'll cover the pot and cook for 20 minutes on high heat. After 20 minutes, it's time to show you what my fish light soup looks like. This right here is my fish light soup. It is ready to be enjoyed. It's delicious. It is nice. Now, let me tell you one thing that is so amazing about this delicious soup. This soup is like a universal kind of soup because it goes well with almost anything. You can eat fish light soup with white rice. You can enjoy it with spaghetti. You can even add okra to it to enjoy your semovita, fufu. Yes, fish light soup and fufu is delicious. It is nice. It goes well with virtually almost all kinds of Nigerian foods, and that is why it is a staple kind of food in many Nigerian homes. Thank you for watching. Till I post my next video.